I would like for you to take some deep breaths with me. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Continue to breathe deeply, being filled with peace with each breath, releasing all cares of the day. Just breathe. Feel the peace. I want you to see yourself in a beautiful forest, hearing the birds chirp, feeling the wind on your skin, looking at the sunshine coming through the trees, feeling so much peace inside, knowing that sweet Mother Earth is taking away all that no longer serves you and transmuting it, turning it into love. Go ahead and wiggle your toes. Come back to this room and take notice of how peaceful you feel. If you would like to get deeper into this with me, send me a message.